I pause real quick. I just released my brand new masterclass for the Sudoku Puzzles Generator software. This is an all new piece of software that will create icon themed Sudokus, which will separate you from everybody else on Amazon KDP. I have my masterclass for this specific piece of software. I have the review that will help you actually with your book if it has any problems. I have my book cover template, so you don't have to worry about that. I have my 3 essential pages template, so you don't have to worry about that. You get my keyword list for this icon theme Sudoku market. You also get my checklist on how to publish your book. On top of that, and this is really cool, I'm giving away free access, trial free access to Nudia Creator, my brand new software. You want to check that out. Get the information down below. Click the link, see you inside, okay? If you have any questions, you can find me in the usual places on my Contact Us page. So see you inside. Okay, bye-bye.